I wake up at 6 every morning. I wake up at 6 every morning. I sit on the edge of the bed. I sit on the edge of the bed. I go to the bathroom. I go to the bathroom. I wash my face with cold water. I wash my face with cold water. I brush my teeth carefully. I brush my teeth carefully. I look at myself in the mirror. I look at myself in the mirror.
I boil water for tea. I boil water for tea. I love making tea in the morning. I love making tea in the morning. I slice some bread for breakfast. I slice some bread for breakfast. Good morning. Did you sleep well? Good morning. Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept very well last night. Yes, I slept very well last night.
I made your favorite tea. I made your favorite tea.
Thank you. It smells wonderful. Thank you. It smells wonderful. What did you make today? What did you make today?
I made bread and boiled eggs. I made bread and boiled eggs.
That is my favorite breakfast.
That is my favorite breakfast.
I know. I always remember. I know. I always remember.
This tea is very hot. This tea is very hot.
Wait a little. Let it cool down. Wait a little. Let it cool down.
After breakfast, I go to the garden. After breakfast, I go to the garden. I water the plants every morning. I water the plants every morning. I planted these roses last year. I planted these roses last year. I will cut some for the vase. I will cut some for the vase. The garden is our happy place.
The garden.
Is our happy place. I come here when I feel sad. I come here when I feel sad. I feel very happy right now. I feel very happy right now. I pick up the newspaper. I pick up the newspaper. I read the news every day. I read the news every day.
What is in the news today?
What?
What is in the news today?
My phone is ringing. My phone is ringing. It is our grandson, Rafi. It is our grandson, Rafi. Hello, Rafi. How are you? Hello, Rafi. How are you? We miss you very much. We miss you very much. When will you come to visit us? When will you come to visit us? We are waiting for you every day. We are waiting for you every day.